Hello and welcome to our channel, a place where technology and creativity intersect. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's reshaping the world of entertainment: artificial intelligence in television and film. AI, once a futuristic concept, is now actively transforming how we produce and consume media. From remastering old classics to revolutionizing content creation, AI's impact is profound. Join us in this comprehensive exploration of AI's journey in the entertainment industry. Let's begin with how AI is revolutionizing film restoration. It's breathing new life into classic films, enhancing them to meet today's high-definition standards. AI algorithms are being employed to upscale resolution, refine sound quality, and even colorize historical footage. This technology is also being used to repair damaged footage, removing scratches and blemishes that were once considered irreversible. We'll delve into how AI is not just preserving, but also rejuvenating our cinematic heritage. Moving on, let's talk about animation. AI is transforming this sector from the ground up. From automating in-between frames to creating highly detailed textures, AI assists animators in bringing their visions to life with greater efficiency and precision. We'll explore groundbreaking AI tools that are empowering animators to push the boundaries of creativity, enabling them to craft worlds and characters that were once impossible to visualize. Now, let's turn our attention to scriptwriting. AI's ability to analyze and process vast amounts of data is being utilized to assist writers in crafting compelling narratives. From suggesting plot developments to generating realistic dialogues, AI is becoming an invaluable tool for scriptwriters. We'll look at case studies where AI has been used to co-write scripts and the potential implications for the future of storytelling. The rise of virtual actors and deepfakes is one of the most intriguing and controversial aspects of AI in entertainment. We'll examine how AI is creating hyper-realistic digital replicas of actors, enabling filmmakers to tackle challenging scenes and even bring actors back for posthumous performances. Along with the marvels come ethical dilemmas. We'll discuss the moral implications and the need for regulations in this rapidly evolving field. AI's influence extends to sound design and music composition. Innovative AI tools are now capable of composing scores and soundtracks, offering unique auditory experiences. We'll explore how AI is being used to create music that resonates with specific scenes and moods, changing the way we experience sound in film and television. Film editing and post-production are also benefiting from AI. AI algorithms expedite the editing process by sorting through hours of footage, identifying the best shots, and even suggesting effective cuts and transitions. We'll delve into how AI is streamlining post-production workflows, enabling editors to focus on creative aspects rather than tedious tasks. In the world of visual effects, AI is a game changer. It's being used to generate realistic environments, create intricate special effects, and even simulate physical phenomena. We'll explore how AI is enabling VFX artists to craft visually stunning scenes that are both cost-effective and time-efficient. AI is personalizing the way we watch TV and movies. With AI, platforms can offer personalized trailers and content tailored to individual preferences. This level of customization enhances viewer satisfaction and loyalty. We'll examine the technologies behind these personalized experiences and their implications for privacy and data security. As we look to the future, the integration of AI in entertainment holds endless possibilities. We're heading towards a world where AI could be the director, the scriptwriter, and the editor. But with great power comes great responsibility. We'll discuss the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, emphasizing the importance of balancing AI's capabilities with ethical considerations. In conclusion, AI's role in television and film is nothing short of revolutionary. As we've seen, it's redefining every aspect of production and consumption. The future of entertainment, powered by AI, is bright, offering unparalleled creative possibilities. As we continue to navigate this exciting landscape, let's remain mindful of the ethical dimensions and the importance of human touch in storytelling. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into AI in entertainment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content, and let us know your thoughts on AI's expanding role in the comments below.